Woke up with puffy eyes again? Wondering how to get rid of that tired, swollen look? In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about puffy eyes, including effective treatments and natural remedies to help you look and feel your best. Stay tuned. First things first, what exactly are puffy eyes? Puffy eyes refer to the swelling or puffiness around the eyes, often noticeable after waking up. This can be caused by fluid retention, lack of sleep, allergies, or even genetics. Want to know the secrets to banishing those puffy eyes for good? Like this video and keep watching as we dive into the causes and remedies that really work. So what causes puffy eyes? Here are some common culprits. 1. Lack of sleep. Not getting enough rest can cause fluid to build up around your eyes. 2. Allergies. Allergic reactions can lead to inflammation and swelling. 3. Diet. High salt intake can cause your body to retain water, leading to puffiness. 4. Aging. As we age, the tissues around our eyes weaken, causing fat to move into the lower eyelids. 5. Genetics. Sometimes puffy eyes run in families. Now, let's talk about treatments. Here are some effective ways to reduce puffy eyes. 1. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress can reduce swelling by constricting blood vessels. 2. Eye creams. Look for creams with ingredients like caffeine or high hyaluronic acid to reduce puffiness. 3. Elevate your head. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated can prevent fluid from accumulating around your eyes. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out excess salt and reduces fluid retention. 5. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to prevent puffiness caused by fatigue. Prefer natural remedies? Here are some tried and true methods to reduce puffy eyes naturally. 1. Cucumber slices. Place chilled cucumber slices on your eyes for 10–15 minutes. 2. Tea bags. Use cold caffeinated tea bags as a compress to reduce swelling. 3. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera gel around your eyes to soothe and reduce inflammation. 4. Potato slices. Raw potato slices can help reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. 5. Egg whites. Apply whipped egg whites under your eyes for a tightening effect. There you have it. Everything you need to know about getting rid of puffy eyes. Remember, the key is to identify the cause and choose the right treatment or remedy for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check out these other videos for more tips on looking and feeling your best.